Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Page. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to log into eBenefits, the official portal for accessing Veterans Affairs, VA benefits and services. Through www.ebenefits.va.gov, veterans, service members, and their families can manage benefits, check claims, and access resources. Let's walk through the steps together. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter youth.va.gov/accessva/?CSP select for eBenefits into the address bar to access the website. I added this website link in the description field. You can click from there. If you log in from this link, you can directly access the login options. Click on the login option that suits you here and do your login process. And that's it. Logging into your eBenefits account at www.ebenefits.va.gov is straightforward and secure. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Login Page for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video, and thank you for your service.